Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Sellfy account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up a discount code in your Sellfy? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up a discount code in Sellfy anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that from time to time, you're going to run specials. That could be for a holiday like Valentine's Day. It could also be to share with another audience. So for example, if I was promoting your product, whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process, and it's handled here in your Sellfy account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Sellfy, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to set up a discount code, here on the left side, you're going to click on this button here called discounts. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these two options, and you want to click on coupons and discounts. All right, once you do that, you want to click on this blue button, add new discount. Okay, once you do that, you want to click on coupon. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and name the coupon. So for example, if you're giving a discount to my audience, maybe we'll go ahead and name this coupon Anthony audience discount. Okay. And then now we're going to go ahead and click right here, coupon code. And what is the coupon code? So generally, I'm going to go ahead and list this as something that I can remember why I'm giving out this coupon. So for example, if it were Valentine's, I might have a coupon code Valentine. If I'm giving it to my audience, maybe I would do coupon code Anthony. Or maybe if you like the movie Terminator, then you get a Terminator discount. So now we have a coupon code. Now we want to go ahead and set up the discount. So we're going to scroll down. Is it going to be a percentage or is it going to be an amount? So for me, I'm going to go ahead and leave it at a percentage, and we'll do a 50% discount right here. You can also do a dollar amount. So we'll do amount, and then we're going to do, let's say $25 off. Now, they do confirm right here that this is going to take $25 off each eligible product at checkout. Now you can go ahead and set up an expiration date if you want. So we can put the coupon start date as of today. And then if it's green right here, that means there's no expiration, but you can go ahead and uncheck that. Let's say that we're only doing this for 48 hours. So we'll do this until June 6th. Here you can go ahead and set a limit on how many times a customer can use this coupon. So we can turn this off, and let's just say they can use it for a maximum of 3 times or unlimited. That's up to you. And then if we're going to scroll down, so the discount's $25 off. So you need to choose which products are eligible for this discount. If you happen to have a product for like, I don't know, $10 and you're giving them a $25 discount, that doesn't really make any sense. So make sure the numbers work out for you. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to give them $25 off of my software zip file, and then also my graphic design files. Okay, we're pretty much done with our discount code. So we're going to click on create discount. Okay, now we have our discount code right here. So anybody who uses the code Terminator right here, they're going to get $25 off of all products that we marked, which were 2 products. And this coupon is valid for 2 more days. And we can always come back in here and check and confirm that the coupon code is active, which it is. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a discount code into your Sellfy account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.